Welcome to this beautifully just completed brand new home by Blue Heron. This modern masterpiece located at 2272 Edge Ridge Court. Located behind the guard-gated community of Sky Terrace in the city of Henderson, this home is perfectly situated on a premier cul-de-sac lot with incredible views of the Las Vegas Strip and the entire valley below. This beautiful open floor plan offers a huge great room with a combined kitchen, formal dining, wine cellar, and living room. With pocket glass doors that disappear to enjoy the great outdoors. Beautiful views from the elevated lot, of the swimming pool, and the landscaping around. The home offers 5 bedrooms, 5.5 bathrooms, and 3 balconies to take in the beautiful courtyard, the backyard, and fabulous views of the Las Vegas Strip. This home has fabulous designer finishes throughout, including custom light fixtures, a modern floor plan with an upstairs master bedroom and a downstairs master bedroom, beautiful tile flooring and tile accents throughout, hardwood floors, a 3-car garage, a maintenance-free landscaped backyard, and a fabulous courtyard with a beautiful fireplace. I hope you enjoyed the tour of this modern masterpiece. Please call our office today for a private showing so you can enjoy the home and the beautiful vistas.